Hey, welcome back everybody, it's Was the Debugger and today we're going to be learning how we can make a very simple Discord bot using Python. So without any further ado, let's get started. So you just need to open your browser, it can be Internet Explorer, Edge, Chrome, whatever, rest in peace IE, but after that you just need to log into your Discord, make sure that you are logged in and you just need to go to this link discord.com/developers/applications, and after that you have a button here that says new application. Just ignore this one here because this is a bot that I made previously for my own use, but now we are gonna make a new one. So let's name it something. We can name it something like let's call it something like Yua. I don't know why I named him that, but yeah, Yua. So Yua is our new bot. So after creating the application, you have an option here that looks like Chrome extensions that says bot. Just click on it and click on add bot, and let's click on yes to it. So be wise that you cannot change anything about this bot once you have made it. So now let's just I just choose an image for this. It's not necessary to do it, but for customization, for the simplicity, just do it. And after that, you have an option here that says token. So what is a token is it's a key for you to access your bot. So what happens in this new authorization technique is that it doesn't use username or password. Since you are running the bot, you have a string that you need to put in the code so that your bot is going to be authorized to you. So this is very sensitive. So since it is very sensitive, don't give it away. Never share this token with anyone unless you want them to use your bot as well, which I don't recommend. So let's click on yes to it and you get this string. So yeah, I'm gonna reset my token otherwise after some time. So yeah, it doesn't really matter if I show you this, but yours is gonna look something like this as well. So now you just gotta copy this. After you copied this, paste it somewhere. So let's create a new folder. So I'm gonna go to Edge Drive and make a new bot folder, and I'm gonna go into the bot folder and let's create here key.txt. Okay, and now open the Explorer. So basically what I did here right now is make a bot directory inside my Edge Drive and then just key.txt. You can put this anywhere you want. It's not necessary to be an Edge Drive inside the bot directory or anything. So for remembering it later on, I just kept it in key.txt since once it is shown, it's gonna disappear forever. So now, after you have done that, you need to go to OAuth2 and click on URL generator. So now we have a bot ready, but we need to add it in our Discord server, right? So you need to click on this bot in the scope and click on send message, and I will suggest you to click every single one of these as it is gonna help you in future. So let's just click it here. You can change it later, don't worry. And you get a generated URL. So let's copy this URL and paste it as well. So let's create a new file like url.txt and let's put the URL inside our text file so that we can use it afterwards as well. So I just went to this link. Now you can close this developer portal. You don't really need it. And let's close everything that we don't need. Let's close all the Explorer windows and command prompt and everything that we had opened, and we don't really need Notepad as well. So after you are inside this URL, our bot UA, let's add it to a server. I made a new server just for this video, which is called testing, which is right this a brand new server. You just need to click on confirm and authorize, and it's gonna ask me if I'm human or not. Obviously I'm not a human, so let's just click on something like this. Okay, it verified on the first time. Boom. Okay, as you can see now, a bot named Yua is inside our server. It says Yua bot and it is offline currently, and it is authorized, so we can just close this tab. So now to bring our bot to life, we need to make it online, right? So for that, let's just head into our drive where we had our bot in Edge Drive inside bot. So okay, so let's open this folder in VS Code. Okay, now we have a brand new text editor here. So let's go to main.py. Let's create a new file called main.py. You can call it anything you want, even your name. It can even be something like lorem ipsum $set It doesn't really matter. So now after you have created that, you need to type in the code. So now it's coding time. So first of all, I would suggest you to import this inside your main.py if you can, but for the simplicity of this video, I'm not going to be doing that because it's like a little bit complex for you guys to understand. So I'm just going to copy the token and I'm going to do something like key equals, and inside this I'm going to put the key, so that we don't really need to copy this if we need it in future. So we can just type key. So above this, we are just going to import our Discord module or library, whatever you want to call it. And if you do not have Discord module installed, it's gonna cause an error. It's gonna say Discord something not found, but we are gonna go to our terminal. If you do not have Discord module, then we are gonna do pip install Discord, okay? And we have already installed the Discord thing, so that we don't really need to do it again. It says already satisfied. So in your case, it might not be installed. So yeah, install it. So now after we have done this, we need to initiate the Discord client. So we are gonna do client equals discord.client. So we are basically making a client, and at the bottom of this file we are going to do client.run, and inside we are going to provide the key. So basically we could directly just put this key here, but for making it a little bit clean, we are just doing this. So basically we have a basic bot ready right here. If we run the script, then the bot is gonna work, it's gonna come to life. So let's just do python main.py, and let's see in our browser, our bot is online. As you can see, it has come back to life. So I'm gonna press Ctrl C to end this. These are not errors, it's just that I interrupted the online thing. But now we can code our bot. So it is up to you what you want to make your bot like. So for this video, we are just gonna make a bot which responds to some certain text messages. So let's just do a client.event, and we are going to do a asynchronous function async, and then we are going to do def on ready. So this is going to be executed whenever we are ready, right? Whenever the bot is ready, we need it to do something. So currently when our bot is online, it doesn't say anything in the terminal. So we are going to do something like I am ready, and let's do this. So basically this is gonna tell us when this is ready. Let's run this script and it's gonna say I am ready. Let's just wait. Okay, it said I am ready and it has been online as well. So yeah, the thing about having to give a feedback whenever it is ready has been done. So now let's focus on what it should do whenever we give it certain messages. So before that, again, we need to have a client.event, and we need to do again asynchronous function which is gonna be on message. So whenever a message comes here, it's gonna execute this, and we are gonna take a message as a parameter because we need to work with message. So we are going to do if message.author equals client user, which basically means if the bot is the one sending the message, it's just gonna return, because whenever we give an input to the bot, it's gonna reply to us, right? But what if the bot is giving instructions to himself? It is quite possible. So we are just checking if the bot is replying to his own message, it's not gonna happen. So there is not going to be any recursion or anything like that. So we need to define another async message, or not really, we just need to do another if statement, which is going to be if message dot content dot starts with, which is basically checking what it starts with. And let's do something like $hi. Then we are going to do await message.channel.send, and we are going to send a message like hello. Okay, so what it is basically doing is that whenever something message starts with hi, it is going to respond with hello. So let's run this script and try it. Whenever it says I am ready. Okay, it said I am ready, so we can just go here and type $hi. Okay, our bot responded with hello. We typed hi, it responded with hello. So now you can just copy this code and paste it like how many times you want to make it something like, okay, the indentations are very important in Python, by the way, so you got to take care of that as well, else it's gonna throw you with an error. So let's do something like, if the message starts with $buy, then it's gonna say something like bye bye. If the message starts with $yay, then it's gonna say something like congrats. Congrats. So let's stop this bot and run this bot again. So let's try these commands: hi, bye, and yay. Hi, it's gonna give us the same. Let's do bye, and let's do yay. Congrats. So as you can see, you can just copy and paste this and change these values, and then it's gonna do the things according to that. So this is not just the limit of this though. You can remove the $sign here and make it just respond with the text, but it's not going to be that convenient because you might be just not giving a command and the bot is going to recognize it as command and execute it. So I recommend you guys to use something like $, anything like that. But the limitations of this bot are not here. This is just a basic representation of what a Discord bot can do. If you want to make a bot that will ban people when they use bad words, you can do that. If you want to make a bot that will mute people when they're spamming like a million times, you can do that. And you want to delete some specific links that are shared in your Discord server, you can do that as well. But since our video is only for covering very basic part of Discord bot, so we are going to stop it right here, and I hope you guys learned something from this video. So if you learned something, a subscription to the channel is appreciated, and thanks for watching guys. Peace out.